Hello everyone, this is lesson 8, and in this lesson we'll be looking how to accept strings that have space. On the last lesson we tried to accept a string that has space and we found there is a problem. Let's solve that problem in this series. So let's just assume we have two variables here which are of type string. The one is named name, that's the name of the user, and the other is named title. And we'll accept these two information. So at user input we'll give the message enter your name, and then we will restore that name to a variable string name, and then enter your favorite book title, and then the title will be stored to this variable title, and then we will print it as hello, the name of the user, and then your favorite book is, and then the title of the user, of the book that user entered. If I have to compile this program, it will tell me enter your name. For example, my name is Venance, and your book title, let's say physics, maybe book 4. If I press enter, the message is hello Venance, your favorite book is physics. Though I wrote physics book 4, but the program ends at this space. So to accept user input that have spaces, then we cannot use a cin alone. But the solution to do so is to use what we call a getline. A getline will take the whole line as an input and not just the first string. And to use getline, I like to getline. This is a function getline, and then give this parentheses. Then what are you using getline for? I use it for cin, and the value here will be name. So here name will be accepted as from the whole line. So even if the name has spaces, will be taken as it is. And here I'll use the same getline, and then cin title. Let's try to compile. The program has compiled successful. Let's run to test. So enter your name. My name is Venance Paulo, and then my favorite book title, the same, physics book 4. If I press enter, now hello Venance Paulo, your favorite book is physics book 4. The whole string written with the spaces were accepted. But note, there is problem if we mix using the getline together with cin. To do so, you have to clear the input of each getline before using the next cin. I'll show it on the next lessons, but for now, this is how you can accept a string that have got space on it. On the next lesson, we'll be looking about simple programs that involves user inputs. So we'll be dealing with another programs that involves in the user inputs. But if it's your first time, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and comments, and share the video to others. See you on the next lesson. Goodbye.